Here we are at Pastor Joshua's, and these are the gentlemen that cooked the rice biryani, chicken biryani, for 150 people. And the people are arriving from the community, and they're all excited. This is a big meal for them. And here we are, and someone's taking a picture of us. This is the gentleman. He's a Christian. He's a member of Pastor Joshua's congregation. And here is 150 portions of chicken biryani. We've had this before, and it's really, really good. And these folks are all patiently waiting to have food. And it was all brought here by bicycle rickshaw.
That's nice of him to donate 35.
And he donated 35 of the lunches. So we have 185 total portions here for the neighborhood. This is a good thing. This is a good thing.